In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an Evernote note as a PDF and upload it to Google Drive. We'll be doing this on a mobile device, and the process is simple once you know where to look. If you've ever wanted to keep a backup of an important note or make it easier to share and store, this is a very practical method. Start by opening the Evernote app on your phone or tablet. From there, open the specific note you want to export. Once the note is on screen, look to the top right corner and tap the three dots to open the menu. In that menu, select Open in Light Editor. This is important because it allows the note to open in a mobile web browser, where you'll have more export options available. After the note opens in your browser, tap the browser's three-dot menu. The exact location may vary slightly depending on your device or browser, but it's usually near the top corner of the screen. From that menu, select Share, and then tap Print. Even though we're not actually printing the note, this is the option that lets you create a PDF version of it. Next, choose Save as PDF and save the file to your device. Give it a moment to finish saving so you know the file is ready to use. Once that's done, open the Google Drive app. Inside Google Drive, tap the plus button, then select Upload. Navigate to the PDF you just saved and choose it. After that, simply wait for the upload to complete. Depending on your internet connection and the size of the file, this may take a few seconds. When the upload finishes, your Evernote note will be stored in Google Drive as a PDF. This is a great way to keep your notes accessible, backed up, and easier to organize outside of Evernote.